What's going on, everybody? It's the Redneck Cook. It is cold and it is wet out here in Mississippi tonight. So what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna have something good and heartwarming and just gonna make you go to sleep when you get done eating. It's just gonna be that good. We're gonna do beef tips and gravy over rice, and I'm gonna show you how to get it done. Let's go. First things first is we've got us a chuck roast right here. All right, I went on ahead and got him salt and peppered and cut up. Got about 1 inch by 1 inch pieces for you. That's about the size you're gonna need for this. All right, now I'm gonna have to say this just once. Do not go buy the stew meat, okay? Because that's about what it is, the same size, stew meat, okay? But don't. It's gonna cost you twice as much for half as much. Go ahead and get your chuck roast, bring it home, give yourself a couple minutes and get it cut up and everything. Then you'll be saving yourself a little bit of money. Oh, we got the cast iron getting hot. Let's show you everything that you're pretty much going to need to get this going. 1 onion chopped up, pound of shrooms, minced garlic, some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, half a cup red cooking wine, beef stew, and brown gravy mix. All right, pan's hot. Get him rocking and rolling. We ain't cooking him per se, we are, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to have a real good sear on it, make it brown all the way around. We ain't cooking it all the way through because that's going to be in the oven. All right, make sure it pan's hot because you want to get that good sear. It's going to keep that flavor in. All right, let's get. All right, we got her almost completely browned up. We're going to get her in the pan here in just a minute. We get it all took out and get it put back in that bowl. We're going to let it rest. Yes, sir. All right, meat's out. It's over yonder. Throw some knob of butter up in there. Go ahead and get her melted up. It'll start getting a little bit of that stuff off, not quite as much as what we want to. And then go ahead and get us an onion in there. A little bit of salt and pepper to it. Trying to do this one-handed. Alright. Let's get her sauteed down. Alright, here we go. We got it sauteed down. We'll throw us a little extra butter in there. Just a touch of oil. Because next comes them shrooms. We're going to get them sauteed up too. Get it all cooked down. Alright, got her cooking down, got her looking good. What we're going to do now is we're going to add ourselves about a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. He don't need to cook, but for just about 1 minute or so, because it will burn. So we'll get him all stirred up. Too bad YouTube Premium does not have a smell-o-vision feature. All I got to say about that. All that good stuff down at the bottom. Let's get that flavor out. It's time for the red wine. We're gonna go ahead and get that done down. Get it reduced. All right, we got her reduced down. He's looking real good. Smelling fabulous. Hope y'all can see that. All right, what we're gonna do now, go ahead and get our 2 packs in there. The beef stew mix and the brown gravy mix. Go ahead and get that oven on 350. Started getting him all mixed around real nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add just about 2 cups of water. It's got a lot of juice already in here and everything with it, but he's gonna need a little bit more in order to get done right. So I'm gonna get everything mixed, everything dissolved. Keep that heat on medium. Yeah, buddy. Come look at this. That's the beginning of some love right there. Yeah, boy. We're gonna get it up hot, get it up to just about boiling again. We're gonna put the meat in. All right. Go ahead and get us just 1 teaspoon of the Italian seasoning, because that stuff is strong. You gotta be careful with that stuff because it'll overpower real quick. All right. Time to put the meat back in. And all that good juice that was in there with it. What we're going to do now is we're going to just put this on low and just let it sit here and simmer just a little bit while we're waiting on the oven to get up to 350. Let's see this progress right here so far. Yeah. It's going to be just a little bit longer. She's going to be in the oven. Into the oven, and we will see you in an hour. Make sure y'all come back about once every 10-15 minutes and come give it a quick stir on it. You don't want it sticking to the bottom, okay? It's the moment of truth. Just got her out. It's been an hour. We're gonna plate up. We're gonna test her out. But first, one last little thing. Get yourself some Italian parsley. Get her chopped up real nice like that. Get her all up in there. And that final bit of loving. A little bit of greenery in there ain't gonna hurt. Just make sure if you get it fresh like that, take out the stems. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. All right, time for that all fun time, the taste test. Got ourselves some steamed broccoli. I'm gonna go on with this tonight. It's gonna be real good for a cold night like tonight. Share it with my baby in there. After this plate, I'm probably gonna go take me a nap. Up, come on, gotta get that in there too. Come on, there you go. A big old bite like this. Let's check this out. Damn it, Bobby. That is good stuff. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button if you want to keep on seeing cool stuff like this. And you help me out with pushing that button real fast. And as always, anytime anybody's got something they want to try themselves, they want to watch me make a video of it, hit me in the comments, let me know what you want to watch next. Peace.